In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Udemy with SSO in just a few simple steps. Whether you're a student wanting to continue learning or a professional seeking to enhance your skills, accessing your courses efficiently is essential. Let's dive right in and get you logged in through single sign-on, commonly known as SSO, which allows you to access multiple platforms with a single set of credentials. To begin with, open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use. In the search bar, type Udemy and hit search. You'll see a list of results, and it's usually the top one that you want to click on. This will take you to Udemy's homepage. Alternatively, you could directly type in udemy.com if you know the URL, saving you just a bit of time. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll spot the Login button. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the login interface where you have a couple of options for accessing your account. Now, you'll be presented with the traditional email login method, but right beneath it, you'll notice an option to log in using SSO, like Google. This is where things get a bit more convenient and streamlined, especially if you prefer not to remember multiple passwords. SSO stands for Single Sign-On, and it's a seamless way to log into your Udemy account using credentials from another platform, typically Google for many users. To continue with the SSO option, go ahead and click on your preferred SSO provider. In most cases, this will be Google. Upon doing so, a pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter your login details associated with your chosen SSO. This could involve inputting your Google account credentials. If you've already logged into your Google account on your browser earlier, you'll likely see a prompt asking you to confirm your login with a simple click, skipping the need to re-enter your details. After confirming your credentials, the pop-up window will close automatically, and you'll be redirected back to Udemy's main page, now signed in and ready to explore your course library. Logging in with SSO not only simplifies your user experience, but enhances security by minimizing password management across multiple platforms. And there you have it. In just a few clicks, you're signed into Udemy with SSO, and you're ready to dive back into learning. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double-check your login details and ensure your browser settings allow pop-ups, as those are common snags. Thanks for watching, and happy learning on Udemy.